You're not bad in design, you just don't use these colors. Here are 9 color combinations that completely change the feel of your design. Let's start with the first one, Tiffany and dark gray. Fresh, modern, and confident. It's recommended for poster, typography, taken, branding. True pink and chill white. Playful, bold, impossible to ignore. Recommended for fashion, beauty, poster, and social media. Caracol violet and cyber lime. Futuristic, experimental, and a little dangerous. Recommended for cyber, AI, technology, experimental posters. Cypress and sand. Calm, natural, effortlessly premium. Is recommended for luxury branding, architect, skincare, and editorial. Lime Sprout and Fresh Canopy. Organic, fresh, naturally stylish. Is recommended for organic products, sustainability, lifestyle, and food. Milky and Mantis. Clean, friendly, fresh without trying too hard. Is recommended for minimal branding, wellness, lifestyle, and modern product designs. Turmeric and Malt. Warm, rich, full of character. Is recommended for food, cafe, vineyard-inspired branding and editorial. Silver and luminous modes. Electric, powerful, built to stand out. Is recommended for gaming, technology, sports, futuristic branding. Volcanico and Nocturno. Dramatic, aggressive, pure visual impact. Is recommended for automotive, sports, action, and high energy advertising. Make sure to save this post and try these colors for your next project. If you're interested in Photoshop and graphic design, make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and peace out.